Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we're back in Florida. We're working on the 2003 Chevy S10 Xtreme. You know, this one is still a diamond in the rough. I know what you guys are saying. You haven't seen it in a little while. The paint, the clear coat, it's a little rough, I know, but it was a steal and it could not be passed up. And well, this one's my dad's, and he's like 83, 82, so like he just wants to cruise around, something nice, kind of low for a daily. He's got the 39, which you guys have probably seen in the last video. So we were working on this here for a few days, and well, I figured while we were here, I knew we'd be working on this guy, and I thought, you know, I did something on my S10 that I just love so much that I just had to do to this one. So I picked us up the Redline hood strut kit so we can delete that strut rod. I've got all the stuff I need here to do it. Some tape to mark my spots, pop rivet gun, a tape measure, my drill, all of the bracketry and everything here, and of course my sweet libations. But before we get really rolling into that whole deal, you guys know the routine. Please go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. Leave me a comment down below. Do you guys think the hood strut delete is a good idea or not? If so, would you do it to your vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. So we also have, I don't know if you can see how bad, how bad the wiper arms are here. They're pretty knocked out. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those off, clean them up, shoot them up with some spray paint, and at least make them look a little bit better for now. It's all we can kind of do. I will give you a little walk around of this thing here. There has been a few things done since we were here last, and we'll go over those. I do want to take it up to the car wash and give it a good once over. We were out today on some gravel and some crusty areas, so I just want to clean it up for them nice before I leave for you know, just a thank you, and I hate to see a dirty S10. So we are going to pull this guy up here into the shaded area, and we're gonna work on it up here because we're in Florida and it's like 90 degrees right now, and I'm not complaining, I just don't want to be doing this in the sun. Alright, so first thing I want to tackle, I want to get these wiper arms off so that I can get them ready and get them enough time to dry and whatnot while we are doing the hood struts. So I'm going to throw it on the tripod and yank those things off here real quick. Inch nut that holds this on. got those in primer. Got those hanging here from my light pole. I'll let those dry up real good before we go ahead and put those black. So let's get on that hood strut. So just like last time, we're using Redline Tuning's Quick Lift system, and again, this is not a sponsored video, but Redline, if you're listening, hit a boy up. This is the second time I've used your stuff. I love them, love them, love them, love them. It is the best thing ever. And even if you don't have an S10, I highly recommend looking into them for your vehicle if you have the old rod. So beautiful instructions. I mean, you can't go wrong following these. So we're gonna go ahead and get those things put in. So here it is. Works great. I like it. So I know my lighting's pretty poor, but the hood struts are in. Everything mounted up really nice. Really nice. Nice setup up here too. The light hits it right, but yeah, she's all mounted up. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this system. This is a great, great addition to any vehicle. Alright, we gotta go throw some color on these bad boys here. And we're gonna do that just like, so we got that taken care of. Got color on them, they look real good all the way around. Made sure we didn't miss any good vital signs, spots. Everything looks pretty good. So we're gonna let that dry, and while we do, we're gonna go to the car wash and clean that up. So we got the wiper arms put on and they look really good. Huge difference compared to what they looked like originally. It's just, you know, something good to do. You stare at them literally as you're driving, and it's just something nice to see. Granted, the rest of the truck needs a little help, and we're not denying that or trying to hide it. It is just what it is, but little things that we can do, we might as well, right? So we're going to wrap things up with that and come to a close. I hope you guys enjoyed just a quick little update sort of on the S10 here on the Xtreme. And we'll be back for more adventures here at HQ. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, following along, the notification bell, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment down below. What do you guys think of the hood struts? And what do you guys think of the new wiper arm paint? Looks pretty good. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.